Uncle Kevin. You have the main vein. I'll take a bigger one. Take the main vein, you take your knife and you just go right down the main vein and make sure the leaf comes off the main vein and throw that away. Let me show you a couple more. It's too small. Here's one. Main vein, just come right, bring that knife super close to the main vein and just get the leaf, okay? Then once you do that, and to all your stems, I'm just giving you an example, you wash these and keep washing them for at least a couple minutes so they're super clean. Then when you get done washing, you take a handful of your ones that you've already cut loose from the main vein. Take a big handful, I'm only taking a small handful, and what you do is you bring it to the counter and you cut them, like I like to do is I like to cut it in half and then cut lengthwise, like so. And then take whatever you just cut and you're gonna dip it in or put it in the pot liquor. Now I didn't finish washing these, so I'm not gonna do it, but you put it in the pot liquor and then I'll be back any minute. Thank you, bye. Okay, I'm good now, I think I can